Hey, Amnesia here. I am going to make another of our building blocks videos. This one on how to use goods that you have to go find something attractive. So we've talked about trading down, we've talked about trading up, we've talked about how you go and search for a specific good, but there's also another thing of how to use what you've got to find the best deals possible. So what we're going to do is walk through my market and look at my future era goods and see what we can get for them and then make a couple trades. So I play on the iPad. This looks a little bit different on the computer, but essentially the same sort of thing. You can filter by the good that you're looking for. So in my case, I want to look through all of these future goods, algae, biogeochem, etc. across and see kind of what I can get. So I want to hit this second good one here to see what we can get. So if you look at this, I can trade down 20 algae for 40 electromagnets. That's an okay trade, but it's 2 arrows down. So I'm going to skip on that. It's only in small. You see a lot of small trades here. I can trade up an age to Arctic Future. That's 1 age. You know, that 0.5 rate, I think I told you, that's the worst rate you can trade up. So I'm going to pass on that. You know, here's some OF goods for 1,000 algae. That's kind of interesting. It looks like the best I can get for algae is 500 oceanic future goods. Not bad. I might do that. Let's go look at biogeochem. We can trade down for 2 eras. You know, not really that good. Trade up to Arctic Future at that 0.5 rate. Kind of meh. You know, these ones are just as bad. Not going to do that. You know, as I said, that 0.5 up 1.8 is literally the worst rate that you can get. As we start looking through here, you know, this is 1 for 2. Up 2 ages. You know, that's like a pretty standard rate, but, you know, I'm trying to find if there's something even better. Nanoparticles, looking back through here, so similar, 40 for 20 down 2 ages. You know, not going to do that because it's down 2 ages. Also, why pay at Forge Point to get 40 magnets? Several more that are Arctic Future, basically, you know, 1 for 2. Don't need to do that. Here's some that are kind of interesting. You know, 500 Virtual Future from 950. That's a pretty good trade. That's certainly better than this one here, right? 500 Virtual Future is higher up than that. Let's go look down through that. So far we've seen those Virtual Futures are kind of the best ones we can get. We'll go look and see if there's anything better. Here's Pure Water. You know, looking through this, you know, here's more of these top 3 trades we don't want to skip. A Virtual Future one that's pretty good. Here's OF up to eras. You know, we've seen a lot of those in other ones. And then if we go back to, you know, superconductors, look through here, we see some BioLite, you know, an artificial future. So I think the best ones we had were these nanoparticles where I could go get some Virtual Future goods. I think it was nanoparticles. Yeah, so we can go get data crystal here. You know, maybe I'll grab one of these. I have some. And boom, just go get it. And that's it. So that's kind of how you look through and see what you can do. You know, sometimes you see something. Tomorrow is really valuable. So sometimes you see something really interesting tomorrow that you can trade for. I may have gone through this earlier and looked through them. No, so here's like tomorrow goods. So somebody wants 1,000 paper crete. They're willing to offer 500 units. That's like up, I don't know, 6 eras. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to grab it. You know, I don't know what I'm going to do with that microgreen supplement, but, you know, I can start trading it down, and my guess is over time I'll get more than 1,000 paper crete. So it's really, sometimes you find goods that are up a lot in ages. The trick is trading them back down. And then try to work it over time into, you know, more goods than you started with, or working into something that is valuable. So you might see, well, what's for microgreens? What can I get for microgreens? Well, nothing right now. But, you know, I may go find, put a trade up and try to trade down microgreens for something and, you know, see what I can get. Anyway, hope that helps. Talk to you later.